Hi guys, Official Ma here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, we talk about men's relationship and how to get you your dream girl. If you know this kind of content interests you, please hit the subscribe button down below and tapping it on. Let's proceed to the video. In today's video, I'm going to be speaking about how to handle women that disrespect you. I'm going to be listing out 5 points. So are you ready? Because I am. Let's dive into the video. Number 1, recognize the signs without excuses. Stop making excuses for bad behaviors. Sometimes disrespect might not come in the form of shouting or the form of insults. Someone might not necessarily need to say something like, oh, you're mad or you're stupid before they insult you. Sometimes it can come subtle. It can look like constantly dismissing your opinions, flirting with other guys in your presence. She doesn't mind if you're there. She flirts with other guys. She calls guys sweet names, baby, honey, and all that. And when you ask her, she'll say things like, oh, I'm very friendly with guys. I'm more friendly with guys than girls. Touch most guys inappropriately in your presence. And you see some of those guys return those gestures. Trust me, there's some guys that girls know that they would not try any bullshit with. Like girls know the guys that they do those things for and the guys that they don't do those things for. Trust me. Disrespect can also look like making jokes at your expense. Things that you're very insecure about, things that she knows that would hurt you. She makes those jokes at your expense, things that are embarrassing to you, your embarrassing moments which she knows that maybe it's an insecurity for you. She makes those jokes at your expense. Disrespect also could look like ignoring your emotional needs and using shame and sarcasm to control you. Things like, oh, you're not even as rich as your friends, or I don't even know why I'm dating a broke guy. Most of my friends are not dating broke guys, or most of my friends are discouraging me from dating broke guys. Like, using those things that you're insecure about, using shame, using sarcasm, things like, oh, I'm just joking. But she knows that those things hurt you. For example, if you're maybe a short guy and maybe it's an insecurity for you, and whenever you guys are out together, maybe you're out together with your friends, she always starts bringing up the issue of height. And when she sees that maybe you're getting angry, she starts saying things like, oh, I'm just joking. Can't you just take a joke? You're always serious. These are forms of disrespect. Someone doesn't need outrightly to come and say that, oh, you're stupid or you're crazy for them to disrespect you. Ladies put men in different categories. They know the men that they could do those things for and the men that they can't even try to even do half of those things for because of the way those men place themselves. And one of the biggest mistakes that a man can make is to start trying to find excuse for those behaviors. To start saying things like, oh, she's too emotional, or maybe she grew up with boys, she's very friendly with boys, she's more friendly to boys than girls. You start looking for excuses to those behavior. Trust me, everyone knows what they are doing, like 100%. People know what they are doing. Stop saying things like she's emotional or maybe she just had a bad day. Stop trying ways to find excuses to rationalize a bad behavior. Number 2, ask yourself, why are you tolerating it? Because first of all, the first thing that you need to do, like I said earlier, is to recognize the bad behaviors, right? You should ask yourself, why are you even tolerating it? Sometimes it's nice to sit yourself down and ask yourself some crucial questions. Ask yourself, why are you allowing this person to treat you this way? Here's the hard truth. People don't treat you worse than you treat yourself. Let that sink in. People treat you how you treat yourself. If you always constantly tolerate disrespect, you're teaching her how to treat you. And you're tolerating disrespect because maybe you fear being alone or you think that you don't deserve better. But if you keep tolerating those disrespects, you keep on allowing her to disrespect you one way or the other, you keep on allowing her to flirt with other guys in your presence, you're teaching her how to treat you. Number 3, don't argue. Withdraw in a calm power. Trust me, disrespect thrives on emotional reaction. The more you argue, the more you plead, the more you convince her to act right, the more you convince her not to disrespect you, the more power you give. Instead, practice withdrawal. Don't spend your whole time trying to convince this person or trying to tell this person every single time that, oh, I don't like how you treat me, or I don't like you hugging other guys in my presence, or I don't like you calling those guys those names or all that, or I don't like you making those jokes about me and all that. You don't need to say these things more than one time. You don't need to repeat yourself over and over again. Don't yell, don't beg, don't try to start explaining your self-worth. Simply just pull your presence back. And when you do this, a wise woman will sit down and reflect on her past behaviors, or start reflecting on her past characters and come back to apologize to you. And she would never repeat those behaviors again. Because when you go quiet, you create a vacuum and it forces her to reflect on herself, reflect on her past behaviors, or also it would reveal her true nature. Some women would reflect on themselves, while some other women might double down to disrespect. But anyways, either ways, your silence served as a filter. Withdraw your energy, your availability, your time. Make it clear that this version of you doesn't tolerate people who disrespect you. Number 4, set clear boundaries, not ultimatums. There's a difference between control and boundaries. For example, being controlling comes in version like do this or else, do what I want or else I'll break up or else I'll do this or I'll do that. But setting clear boundaries comes in version like this is what I will and won't accept. These are the two clear differences between control and setting clear boundaries. When you set clear boundaries, you're not trying to change her. You're just telling her your standards and it's left for her to choose between, okay, can I actually cope with this? Or if I can't cope with this, okay, then maybe I look at the next door or look towards the next door. It's as simple as that. Examples of setting boundaries might be, I don't stay in place or spaces where I'm being disrespected. If you continue to portray this behavior, if this continues, then I'll choose distance. These are examples of boundaries. Or I'm not the kind of man to argue, I just walk away. These are examples of boundaries. It's left for her to rise to meet those boundaries or simply walk away. Either ways, it's a win for you. Number 5, know when to walk away and never look back. The greatest skill that you can learn as a human is knowing when to walk away, learning to tell yourself the truth that something isn't working any longer, and knowing when to walk away. Because if you've tried everything, you've tried to maybe give this person distance, you've tried to correct her, you've tried to set boundaries, you've tried silence, you've tried emotional detachment, you've tried everything basically, then you should know when to walk away and never look back. Not out of rage, not out of anger, but out of principle. Because a woman who constantly disrespects you is not your partner, but your lesson. Because people come into our lives for different reasons. Some come to be a blessing, while some come to be a lesson. So a woman who constantly disrespects you, she's not your partner, but your lesson. And the sooner you walk away, the faster you reclaim your strength. Staying in a disrespectful relationship ruins your confidence, poisons your peace, and steals your identity. Look at yourself in the mirror, you no longer recognize yourself. You're not that person that you used to know because of a relationship, because of a particular person. And you might think that you're being patient, but you are teaching yourself to accept that disrespect is normal. Let her meet the consequences of losing a good man who finally chose to honor himself. If you found this video very useful, give this video a very big thumbs up, and please also make sure you subscribe to the channel to be part of our community here on YouTube. I love you guys all and see you in my next video. Cheers.